Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be trying out the MAKIAGE foundation. This foundation has been literally viral for the past, I think like 2 or 3 years. Basically, you go on their website, you take the quiz, and they match you with the perfect foundation shade, then you can order it. It's free, and then you return it if you don't like it, or if you don't want to spend the whole, I think it's $45 for the full price one, but if you want to keep it, you do have to spend the $45. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and open it up before we get started. So I ordered the foundation, and I also ordered a mystery gift because it was free with my order. So I'm gonna open it here. Also, this packaging is adorable. So it comes in a little box like this, and here is the foundation. They matched me with the Woke Up Like This Flawless Foundation. I don't know what shade it is yet, but I'll probably see it in the bottle. And their packaging is so cute. And then I also got, this is the mystery gift, and this is the ink liner. So I'm guessing that this is a wing liner, like an eyeliner thing. Here it shows you how to apply this, pretty easy. And then also the box comes with a bunch of tinsel stuff in here. So let's go ahead and start. So I want to unbox this first, and I'm going to start with the foundation because this is the main reason that I purchased this. So, oh, it's actually quite simple to open. It's just taped there, and then it kind of just opens up like this. So that's really cool packaging because I can just close it and open it. So here is the foundation that I got. This is a glass bottle. It feels really good quality. It's like a frosted glass, so that's really beautiful. And this is in the shade 60. So here's what it looks like. Really pretty frosted glass. And it's a pump. Okay, this is really beautiful. I really love this. Let's go ahead and open up the ink liner, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is in the shade black. So I'm pretty sure this is an eyeliner. Yeah, it's an eyeliner. So this is the ink liner, and ooh, that's nice. I really like that. So I'm probably gonna use this too, maybe, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so I read somewhere, I'm not sure where I read it, it said to apply it with a primer, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face really quickly. So if you guys have been with me from the beginning, you guys know I don't use a primer, but today I'm gonna use a primer because I wanna make sure that I'm getting proper application from this foundation. Now let's go ahead and start with this foundation. They said to apply with a sponge or a brush, but not your fingers. So make sure that if you do get this, that you're not gonna use your fingers. It's not good to apply foundation with your fingers, just don't do it. So, this is so pretty. I love the frosted glass on this. So, it looks so beautiful. And this is in the shade 60. That looks like a really good skin match so far in the bottle. So, that's pretty good. Let's pump some onto my brush. And I believe that I chose like a dewy one because I love hydrating foundations and I really wanted a hydrating foundation. So let's go ahead and do the first test. Wait, do you guys see that? Oh my, it smells very like chemically, but hello, skin match, thank you very much. I also picked the medium to buildable one because I don't like super full coverage foundations. So the foundation is applied, and from what I can see, I'm looking pretty snatched, so I'm happy with that. This lid is like really heavy. Okay guys, I'm back. I did some simple makeup, and now we're gonna try out this ink liner. So it's black eyeliner. Let's test it out on the back of my hand. Oh wow, that's really precise. You can get really thick lines, but you can also get extremely thin lines. So I think I'm gonna like this. So let's go ahead, roll up my sleeves, and let's get to work. So I'm gonna do some wing liner. So I did a wing, and it really was so easy to do, and this eyeliner is really precise. I'm gonna just do some mascara a little bit, really quickly. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of some gloss. Just a sparkly lip gloss. Usually is the way I go. And we're done. So, overall thoughts on this foundation and eyeliner. I like the eyeliner, probably gonna stick to the one that I usually use, but this foundation I think is gonna be my new, don't mind the eyeliner, don't know what happened, but I think this is gonna be one of my new favorites. I think that it's really good packaging, and this company is just so amazing, so I really do like it, and I really love packaging. Like I said, beautiful formula, and my skin looks really beautiful, so I think that I really like this. I'm gonna keep testing it out, obviously. I always test out products before I give you guys like the full what I think about it, but yeah, I do really like this. I'll test it out. I'll probably talk to you guys on the Wednesday about what I think about this, but this is so beautiful, and I really like this. Same with the eyeliner. So let's go ahead and cut to the outro. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my new videos, and I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye!